This Miss Runaway, huh? Yeah, get you right. Yeah, let's get you offloaded today. For the ride. Hey, my boy about to get ready for this trail ride, huh?
Yeah, y'all get ready for the ride now.
He about to pop back. He went back, but he about to bounce back. You know how we do it. Clean it off, no bad juju. Let's go. Yeah, that thing looking good. Look all the dirt. We came out of that. You can see the swing arm again. But this is gonna be another full rebuild, repair. That's all bent. Back in. Cardboard rewired up. It's a whole nother bite. Yeah, whole nother restore. You know how I'm telling you. Oh, you see it. Man.
Trying to get this thing up out of her.
You gotta loosen up from the front.
Yeah.
So we're getting this broke down.
This side is completely loose. We just gotta I gotta come over there and loosen up that side so we can be able to pull this front apart from each other, and then we got the feet.
Alright. Front's all bent. Back is all stripped out. Take pieces off that. Let's go. Activity! That's what we like. Yeah. Activity. That's what I like to see. Watch mailbox.
Watch the sidewalk.
Yeah. Yeah. That's it. You gotta get on that clutch. You gotta clutch it. Yeah, yeah. Good enough. We ain't trying to do too much. Go back to first.
Yeah. Do what it do, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I got that little the choke line. Activity.